Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Okay. Is it able to unmute yourself? Yes, sir. Check it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We discussed yesterday a few functions, that is a rand between, round, sum ifs, sum product, VLOOKUP, and goal set. Now today,
Hello.
discussing.
Hello. Sir, yesterday's lecture, I have don't get a link about that on mail, and that's why I missed that lecture.
Okay, already link was sent on one broadcast group created, and link sent on that broadcast group. Okay, no issue. But from today onward, means till 31st of August, link will be same. Keep in mind.
Okay. Okay.
Till 31st of August, link as well as time will be same.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
9 to 10 each and every day, and up to 31st of August.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Any doubt, other participants? Shall we start? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, today we are discussing another points, that is a stock price and geographical location. This point was is taking because of it not require any mathematical functions. Then next one is a application of extra days formula, that is rand between, round, sum ifs, etc. VLOOKUP application in a missing number or find a missing text. Then match, subtotal, text formula. There are the various text formula, 7 types of text formula: left, right, mid, len, upper, lower, and proper case. Then row and rows, column and columns. These formulae functions we discuss today. So first of all, we discuss the stock price and geographical location. This application is able to perform only in 2016, Office 2016 and onward, or even 2013 also. Sorry, not in 2013, 2016 onward. This function is available in Excel itself, but it requires some additional feature. If you don't have Office 2016, then a procedure of it, I will show you the procedure how to go in this online Excel sheet. In Google itself, if you don't have Office 2016 copy, then need to go in a Google and you search out OneDrive. I will close this file, Excel file, and see here we need to type OneDrive, and then click on free cloud storage and create your own account. Here symbol is given as sign in. I already create an account, so no need to create an account for my side. You need to create the account, and then go in this app launcher. If you click on this app launcher, then here the option provided Excel, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote. You click on Excel. Then click on this. I already created one sheet for this demo. So I will open the same file, or otherwise you can create your new blank workbook. I will create this workbook already created. There are some name of stocks: ABB, Graphite, HDFC, Reliance, Lupin, SBI, Tata Motors, and ITC. Then you copy this your stock market, or type your the stock market name as per your choice, and then click on this data tab, and then this stock. Click on this arrow. There are two options: stock and geographical. Click on stock. So name of ABP will be shown here. See, ABP is ABB India Limited, and we can find after that. Click on the same cell, and then this insert data tab is appear at the rightmost top corner of the same cell. Rightmost top corner. That name is insert data. If you click on this insert data, there is so many options will be available. 52-week high of that stock, 52-week low, then change percent, currency, description, employee size, exchange abbreviation, etc., headquarters. So you need to find the price of this stock. Just click on this price. So current market price will be shown as here. Current market price. Okay, here mentioned 52-week high. So I will click on the 52-week high firstly. So this is 52-week high for ABB, and 52-week low for ABB. Just click on the same tab, 52-week low. This is 52-week low of that ABB. Again, current market price. Just click on the same icon and select the price. These are the price. Suppose we consider SBI. Click on this SBI, and then select stock. So this is State Bank of India. And if you click on 52-week high, so we get the value of 52-week high of the SBI stock. Then 52-week low, 175 rupees is low. 52-week high is 467. Just it goes in the last month, and this 175 it goes in last year March, I think so. And if you click again, current market price. Now current market price of this SBI stock is 412.45 rupees. In this way, we can find the stock price. Then geographical location. This geographical location we can find. Suppose as far as Maharashtra is considered, who is the Prime Minister, CM, as far as okay, I'll show you this one. The Maharashtra, we type it here, Maharashtra, and then select on this tab group, and then go in the geography. Again, select this icon is appear. When this icon is not appear, you are not able to find the value. Just click on this data, and geography. So we get the geographical location, and that after getting the geographical location, you click on this insert data and just click on leaders. So these are the list of leaders in Maharashtra. If you again click on population, so you get the population of Maharashtra. This is population of Maharashtra, major city in Maharashtra. Just select the major city, capital, major city, Mumbai, etc. In this way, we can find some answer question session in this geographical location. Suppose as far as the US is considered. So where is a minister we can find here? We are United States, and again click on this geographical location. The icon is inserted, geographical location, and then click on this insert data, and then click the leaders. Okay, these leaders. Is a leaders in US. No need to Google out. We can find in Google Excel sheet itself. Suppose which one is a city, major city in US. These are the major city in US. Okay, this is about the geographical location. The next point is an application of Extraday's formula that we also discussed. There are the list how to find the name is missing or not. I have the list of this reference list, 4-5 students from this reference list, and I need to check whether this name is available in this list or not. This is reference list, and I need to check these names is available in this list or not. So how to find? Manually, just observe whether it is available or not in manually. But instead of manually doing this calculation, so there are used some functions. If the name list is 1,000 numbers or even 2,000 numbers, then it is difficult to find the manually. If number is less, then you can easily find the manually. But as far as count is very higher, it is difficult. For that case, we can find the missing number by formula. You can see the formula bar, the combination of functions. Here, if error, VLOOKUP, if this combination formula, we already individual formula we discussed yesterday. Now we can see how to application of these formulas. I need to find, suppose same name, Abang Dattatreya Eknath. I will copy this Abang Dattatreya Eknath from this list, is not available. Okay, Astekar is not, Bagde, yes. I will take this Bagde Jagruti and paste here. Okay, and I use the formula as a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP value is this one. Then table array. The table array is this one, as this is my reference list, and just F4 key. Press F4 key. To press the F4 key, because of you need to lock this whole table. Means if you scroll down the formula, the table size will not be changed. That's why I need to constant $sign is required. $D, $6, $D, $10 means range of this reference list by hitting the F4 key, this table array. Then column index, as far as this table is considered, there is only one column. So I will write 1 as one column is there. And we already discussed true and false. This is the range lookup. We require the exact match. For exact match, we need to insert the 0 or true. Then hit the tab key to auto complete the function. Okay, this name is available. Okay, suppose I will put coffee, second one, those name is not available. I'll put this name here. Put it there, notice again. Put it here. See, this error is appears. 0 we put 0 because of it for exact match. We look up F6, this F is this cell, and this error is appear. You don't observe this is completed this function, this name is missing. So how can find the name is missing appear in this not available error? We can again type here, if suppose this whole value we look up is equal to this cell, okay, then it shows blank, otherwise name is missing. Any word you need to insert in double quote. See, if we look up f and this value is equal to f6, then is equal to blank. If false, then show the name is missing. See, still error is there. How to avoid this error? You can type it here. If error, you have to remove this error, then we need to type the function as if error, and value if error, we need to type blank. Blank means just double quote. So this error is gone. But we need to insert, instead of blank cell, the name is missing. Okay. So instead of blank cell, I will write here name is missing. Again, copy this and paste it here. See, your name is missing. Okay. I will, if I drag this formula till last one, see, the name is missing, name is missing, name is missing, but this name is not appear here. How it's possible? Then again apply one more formula in the same cell, first cell. Which cell? If this cell means F6 is blank, then this cell should be blank. If this cell is blank, then this cell should be blank. How make it possible? By applying the formula again. If F6 is equal to blank, then blank, otherwise same result. So this is name is missing, and just drag this formula. See, this extra missing name is gone. Only missing name is matching now. If I copy this whole name here, see, the initial and new created data analytics will be matching. So this name is missing, same name is missing, appear, name is missing, name is missing. So this is a application of the formula. Which formula? If error, if VLOOKUP, and the $D$6 is application is just log the cell. So this is about the missing number or missing text we can find. Then next formula is a match. What it does, the match formula, it does look the value in the list and return its position. Application of this function, return the position of that letter, return the position of the whatever what you insert the reference, insert the array, that matching position is shown. I will remove this formula and see. Again, type the formulas in formula bar. Match. There are three options is there. First argument is lookup value. Then second, see here, match. First argument lookup value. Second argument lookup array. And third argument is match type. But this match type is shown in a square bracket. And keep in mind, any argument in square bracket is not mandatory. as far as this function is considered. Any function, if argument is shown in the square bracket, is not mandatory, but argument shown in round bracket, that is compulsory. So lookup value, I need to look up the value is Tom. The letter is case sensitive, so need to type the same letter, T capital OM. Then this lookup array. The lookup array is a A2 to A4, a comma. Then a match type. There are three options: less than, exact match, and greater than. I need to exact match. We know 0 is used for exact match. 0. So here 1 is returns. How this value once coming? Here comment mention, return the position of Tom from the list. From this list, there are 3 names, and from that 3 names, Tom is appear at the first option, first cell. That's why their name is given as first one. In second case, again type match, lookup value is a B2. B2 means number, is a 1000. Lookup array, I will put same array and exact match 0 and hit the tab key to auto complete the function. See, again 1 appear because of this 1000 is located at the first position in this column. If I write here instead of a B2, if I write 2000, okay, if I write 2000, see the 2000 position at the second cell. So if we hit the enter key, instead of 1, result will be shown as 2. Is it? Again, if we put at here 3000, then result shown as 3. It means the position of the argument which is given, which is specified by you. Again, the match 1500, lookup value is 1500. Then a lookup array, again the same array B2 to B4. Then here mentioned as 1. 1 is represent the less match, then exact match and greater than. I will write 1 for less match. See your position again 1. How this position 1 appears? You can observe these 3 values: 100, 1000, 2000, and 3000. Then this match formula analyze these 3 numbers starting from the 1000 and see whether your criteria meet or not. So their criteria is given as 1500. 1500 not mentioned in the first cell. So match formula goes to the second cell and whether verify that 1500 is there or not. He found the 1500 found in the second cell, is it? But it is not the exact match. So again, this match formula go back and show the position of 1000. So this is 1000 position as 1. But it is most important thing, if number is provided, number is in the column, here highlighted, when sort is ascending order. When sorted the number in ascending order is must. Don't descending order. Put in the ascending order only. If suppose I have 1500, if we write here 1500 instead of 3000, then instead of 1, this position is replaced as a 3. Sorry, exact match. We require exact match 0. So this position will be 3. Again in next formula, the match lookup value again 1500. Lookup array is same one and -1. -1 means last one is greater than. say is not available. This 1500, I will write it here 3000 initially. So it returns an error as list is not sorted in descending order. Is not sorted in the descending order because minus sign it requires a descending order. If I write this is in descending order, we just replace this 1000 by 3000 and this 3000 by 1000. See what happens. This is 1000. So this position is appears as 2. Initially it's shown as error, not available error. So this is about the match formula. It is applicable to find a position of the numbers, position of the argument. Then subtotal. Subtotal is the familiar functions is average, count, max, minimum, count A, sum, etc. Most important thing is count A and sum is most of cases this formula is used, count A and sum. It shows the total visible data set only. It shows that, okay, here. Sum. It shows sum total of visible data set only. Visible data set only. See here. This table having 15 ID numbers, and from this 15 ID number, here summary is shown. This summary is auto updated. If we select the class, I will show it first. I will copy this one and here as a value, then you can easily observe whether it is correct or not. See. So I will select here class only B. See, this summary is auto updated, but this summary is not updated. Because of this, in this cell, the subtotal formula apply. If we select here SE, so this is auto updated. No need to again filter out count. See, here addition is here 35,700,000. Same number is shown here. If we here 14,033, the number is appear here. How this formula apply? I will show you here. Type SUM, subtotal. Type in formula bar as subtotal, and see, I was already mentioned average, count, max, minimum, count A, sum, etc. This list is shown here. If you type subtotal and if you hit the round bracket, then this function available. From this function, we require only count A and sum. In maximum cases, this is applicable. 103 number for the count A and sum is applicable for 109. See here. 103 count A, 103. Again, reference. I will give the reference of this and see this one. See. This number is mismatched. It may be happen due to the selection wrong. See here. Okay, last cell is missing. See, last cell is missing. So last number is 23. Need to select here 23. You can say number is matched. And just drag this formula till the last. Okay. Still the number is not shown exact. The reason behind it, see here 103. 103 represent the count A. In this formula, in next cell E4 cell, E4 cell is a letters. Means letters means we need to write the 103 instead of 109. Okay, so this count is correct. The next one, this count is actually appears from 892500 we required, but this is shown as 15 because of this 103. 103 represent count A, means total cells count 15. See here, count 15. But sum is not. Sum is required for sum. We require the number 109. Just replace this 103 to 109. See, this value is appeared. And then drag this formula to the right side. Okay. Now you can see the filter this for B class. See, the list is auto updated. Initially, this list is not auto updated. Now this list will be auto updated as per your selection. This one. Okay. This is about the subtotal application. Then text formula. There are the various text formula: left, right, mid, etc. See here the formula. I will remove this applicate formula. See, left. This left function, it does return the number of specified character from the beginning of the text. Return the number of specified character from the beginning of the text. Beginning, the starting of the text. Suppose here hello world, the starting beginning of the letter is start from H. So I will write the formula in formula bar. Left, then tab key, I have to complete the function. Here this argument is highlighted, text, and again number characters. See here text comma number character shown in the square bracket. Square bracket means this term is not mandatory. If we forget to write any number, then Excel count it as 1. If we no need to give the input, Excel automatically count it as 1. So text, I require the text hello. Any letter you need to insert in double quoted, then comma, number character. How many number you need to extract from hello word? I need to extract 2 letters from the hello word. See, HE. The first 2 letters will be extracted from the hello. If we mention the 2 numbers here, if we mention here 1 number, the H is extracted. If I write how many characters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I write here 4, then the first 4 letter will be extracted. Then next formula is again character is different. Text is cell reference, and number character I need to extract 2 text, 2 letters. See, 2 letters will be extracted from the cell A2. If I write here different name, see the first 2 letters will be extracted from this cell. I was told if square bracket is not mandatory, if you don't mention in the square bracket term, see what happens. Left, text is again same cell reference, and I forget to write. Here, number character is not mentioned. Number character not mentioned, Excel automatically consider the first letter should be extract from that reference. So H is extract from this hello. Next one is if number of character specified is greater than the length of the text. Here length of text is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of text is 5. And here mention as 8 number. The number of text extract is 8. So what happens if you write the number and length is a mismatch? So text is cell reference and number of character 8. So output will be complete word because of this 8 length of text is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 text. So all words extract auto. Yeah, hello words. If you write here 0 instead of blank, if you write 0 in this formula, here blank mention, but in this formula we write it as 0. If you write 0, then see output will be 0, sorry, blank, output will be blank. If number of character is specified as 0, it return the blanks. It return the blank. If you write here 1, see, H is extract from this hello world. And if we mention the negative numbers, then it shows the error. It shows the error. Text is again cell reference and -1. Because of this H to the left side, there is no any character available. That's why it's shown as error. So this is about the left formula. Then right formula. Same function. Instead of left side, letter extracted from the right side. Instead of left side, letter extracted from the right side. The function is same function. We'll just explain the first one only, as function is same. Right, text is hello, then number character is 2. See, LO from the right side, number of character from the right side is 2. So O and L is second number, LO. If you write instead of 2, if you write 3, see, double LO, and total length of text is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you write here greater than 5, suppose you want 4, so it's E, and greater than 5, if you write 6, all word will be there. Other formula, other numbers is again same, extract from the right side. Then next one is a mid formula. What it does, it return the part of text from the starting character, and number of character are need to be specified. It return the part of text, and starting character and number of character are to be specified. I'll remove these functions and we will type again the same functions. Mid text is hello. Start number is 1 and number of character need to be extract is 2 from hello word. So here 2 word is extract from the first character. Extract 2 letter beginning from the first character of the text hello. If we write 2 from the 2, so EL will be extract. How this EL is shown? Extract start from second letter. So second letter is E and then 2 letters. That's why here EL start from 2 and 2 letters. This 1 and this 1. So 2 letters EL. If we replace here instead of 3, 4, so complete letter will be extracted. Again, same functions. Mid text is cell reference, and we need to extract the letter start from 7th character and number of character to be extract as 5. Okay, is start from 7 and extract the 5 characters. Extract 5 character beginning from the 7th character. Here total length of this Deepak Chandra is 13 length of text. So 7th character is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Space is also counted, 6 and 7. So 7 is C. And then start from C, then extract 5 characters from C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to C to D. C to D number is extracted. This letter extracted from C to D. Similarly, if we mention the same cell reference and 15 character start from 15 number and number of character is 5. So 0. Because of why this happen 0, as here total length is 13 only, but I mentioned the total start from 15 characters, but that 15 characters is not available in this name itself. So that's why this result shown as blank. Similarly, in next cell, the start from 1 and number of characters is 15. Start from 1, number of characters is 15. So complete name will be extract.
ते चुकलं का 2 मिनिमम घर मस्त मन फोन देईन त्यात मिळाली मी काय पहिजे असू कोणाला बघा
The start number is 1 and number of character is 15. So this complete letter will be extracted as total length is 13, but here mention the 15 numbers. And if we show the minus sign, -1, start from -1, it appears an error. Text is same cell reference. -1 start number and number of character is 15. It shows the value error because of the minus sign. -1 number is start number. That's why it's shown as error. Next one is again cells same reference. Start number is 1 and number of character is -1. Still the value error because it returns error if number character is specified as negative. It's about len, upper, lower, and proper case. This len formula function is applicable to count the number of letters in this letter. So formula is len. Just select the reference cell. This one. So total length is of this text is 13. So start from D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay, if you write again one more character here, the length will be 14. Uppercase and lowercase. If we show all text in uppercase, so need to insert the formula as upper and text is reference cell. See, all letter shown as capital letters. Lowercase, if we need to show lowercase, then select this letter. All letters shown as lowercase. Proper case, see here, D capital, I small, P small, A capital, C capital, D small, E capital. Need to insert in proper case. So need to insert the formula as proper and select the text. See, the first letter is capital and remaining letter is small. This is about the function of len, upper, lower, and proper. Then this row formula. It returns the number of row of a given reference. It represents number of row of given reference. Here returns the number of row of current cell. If we write the row and nothing any argument mentioned, then it consider the current cell row number. Start from this 1, then 2 and 3. this cell having row number is 3. So here in D column, we are mentioned 1, 2, 3 of current cell. If we mention row C8, this highlighted cell, this row number is 8. Okay, if you type in formula as a row, then reference cell is a C8, this one. And to complete the function, type hit key. See, 8 number appear here, this 8 number. It returns the row number of the specified cell, and here C8 is a reference cell. Then this rows function, it represents the number of row in a given range, given reference. See here, the rows only difference is yes is additional word, row and rows. The cell reference cell range is from E1 to E1. This to same cell. How many number of rows? How many number of rows from C1 E1 to E1? There is only one cell, only one row from E1 to E1. That's why here shown as 1. If we write here instead of E1 and then second E1 is replaced by E4. So total number will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The output will be 4. Okay. The row count from E1 to E4. The total number of row is 4. E1 to E4. Application of this one is to insert the serial number. For example, if I write the formula is rows and we give the reference this one from same cell. So this will be 1. If we drag it, the last one, this is serial number, but if this is serial number is same one, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Why this happen? Because of this B1, B8 to B8 is 1. Again, row of B9 to B9 is 1. B10 to B10 is 1. But from B8 to B10, count will be 3. How it happen? You need to lock the first B8 cell. How to lock the first B8 cell? By hitting the F4 key. So $B8. So B8 cell is locked now. And then drag this formula. See, this serial number will be inserted. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, if we suppose 7 cell, and if we click on formula bar, see the range is selected from this to this, from this to first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 row number. In this way, we can insert the serial number using the rows function. Then column, this column function is again same as a row. Instead of row, it shows the number of columns. And if we don't show any argument, then it shows the current column number. So the current column number is 2. And here column E1, if you write column E1 is this one, result will be shown as 5. Okay, this happened because of columns. We need to mention it, remove the S. So this is 5. If we write the columns, then first column from that E1 to E1, that formula will be next one. The column E1 location position is a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next function is a columns. Similarly, the rows function and column function, same application. Instead of row, this formula applicable for the column wise. Here column wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number mentioned. And if you write here, the formula is columns, yes is at here, and ray is A1 to A1. See, output is 1 because it returned the column number of A1 to A1 range, and from A1 to D1 range, say from A1 to D1. The total number of column is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. Column yes is required and start from A1 to D. So position is 4. Total number of, not position, total number of columns start from A1 to D1. If you write here E1, then it should be 5. And you know that there is a number of columns, suppose A, Z, E. So total number of column from A1 to AZ E1. The total number of column is 1357. Total number of columns start from this first row to AZE. Total number of column is 1357. So this is about the formulas. Which formula? The stock price, geographical location, missing number, how to find the missing number using the extra applications, formulas, match, subtotal, left, right, mid, row, rows, column, and columns. Okay, this formula is very similar. Rows and columns, very similar formula. Row and rows, again similar formula. Left and right, the difference is counting from the left side, and right means counting from the right side. Mid means start from your specific, your whatever the criteria you mention. Then length is represent the total length of the text. Proper, write the text in proper case. Upper, write the all letter in upper case. Lower, write all letters in lower case. Match, what is the application of match? It returns the position of reference cell. Subtotal, it represents the auto summarize at the top of the table. Again, one more, I will show you one more applications of this table. I just copy this table and paste it here. Okay, need to remove this filter. The difference between static table and dynamic table, I will show you. This table is a static table. Add the filter here. Okay, and need to select this table, or you click anywhere in this table and insert and click on table icon. This table is convert this table to Excel table. Here mention my table has header. If you click on this checkbox, see the header will be appears. And if we remove this, say this one, and dues. You know dues, how to find the dues? The difference between total fee and received fee. The difference is total minus receivable. Total minus receivable. What happened in general table? You need to insert the formula each and every cell, each and every rows. But in case of Excel table, there is no need to insert the formula each and every cell. I insert the formula in the first cell only. Okay, the first cell means this total fee minus received fee. Formula right in the first cell only, and if by hitting the key, entire cell, entire column will be applicable with the same formula. See, the formula is applicable for entire column. Only insert the formula in the first cell only. But as far as this table is considered, see the difference is total fee minus this one. And if I hit the enter key, formula is applicable only for the first cell. But for the remaining cell, you need to drag the formula. Okay. But in this Excel table, you insert the formula in the first cell only. Remaining cell the formula will be automatically adjusted. While insert the row, how you can insert the row here? Just highlight this cell from this one. This will be the one of the way by inserting the row. Okay, but in this second table, Excel table, just hitting the tab key from the first cell, see what happened by hitting the tab key. Row automatically inserted with the same formula. See here, same formula is applicable. If we copy this and paste the remaining cell, see formula applicable, same formula applicable. No need to insert the formula again and again. Okay, the time is sufficient. Or now session is open for the discussion. If any doubt, we can discuss this. Any doubt on this topic? Tell me. Is it possible to unmute yourself? Is it understood?
Yes.
Tell me, what is your doubt? Is your doubt or is understood?
Understood.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, if
What is
you
the-
want to,
okay, please. What?
sir, if you want to give a serial number from suppose one number to 1,000 number, so what should be the formula for that? One formula.
I'm not getting your doubt question. Just please repeat again. Just repeat
Sir,
again, please.
sir, suppose if you want to give the serial, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you want to give the serial number from suppose one number to the 1,000 or 2,000 numbers.
Okay.
So
You insert
what
the
should
serial
be the
number
formula?
from 1 to 1000.
Yes, sir.
You insert the serial number from 1 to 1000. No?
Yes, sir. What should be the formula for that one?
Same formula. Same formula. Okay. That formula is shown in the rows. Your rows. See. I will take the suppose we will take start from here. Okay, rows. We need to insert the formula rows. Cell reference is AC1 to AC1. Why AC1 to AC1? This formula type in AC1 AC1. In most of cases, you consider the same cell reference to avoid in the errors. This is better option to select the same cell. We can select for A1, AA1 or AB1. Don't worry. But the problem is what happen if we insert the row or insert the column, the formula may be changed possibly. Instead of that, you select the cell reference. Okay, this is one, and then drag this formula till the last one. So, okay, this is revision 1. You need to lock the first cell. How to lock the first cell? Hitting the F4 key for the AC1. Hit the F4 key for first AC1 and enter. And then click this dot sign, double click. So this number will be inserted till whatever your selection. If we again go down, number will be inserted, serial number. Is it clear?
So,
Not getting you. What, Pradeep?
If suppose if you don't want to drag it, and there is no such a formula that you can do directly to get the set from the 2000 or more, 2000.
I'm not getting your sound. Your voice is breaking continuously. Hello. Just write in chat box. Is possible to write in chat box,
Yes, sir.
or just repeat again?
Sir, if you don't want to drag it, that for that cell
Okay.
from instead of dragging, we can't get that directly.
Okay.
So instead of dragging it, there is no such a formula. By using that, we can get it.
Instead of dragging.
Suppose, instead of dragging.
Okay. There is one. This one 1, 2. Okay. First you write 1 and 2 number. Or
Yes, sir.
these two option. This write 1 and 2. Then drag this formula till the last. This also inserting the serial number instead of using the formula. You give the hint first number 1 and 2. Then drag this formula to insert the serial number. This is one of the way avoiding the formula. And another option is this type 1 and then again drag this formula. Then at the end here mention one autofill option. Click on this arrow and here copy cell, fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting, flash fill. Just select the fill series. So automatically insert the serial number. Is it clear or not? Actually, your doubt is different.
Sir, I am asking that instead of dragging, there is no such a formula. By using that,
No.
serial,
No, that formula is not available. You need to either drag or write the numbers manually.
okay, sir.
There is no formula available for that auto adjusted.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts? Okay. From tomorrow onward, link will be same, time will be same. So link will not be sent again and again. You join directly at 9 with the same link. Is it clear? Sudhindra sir? Sudhindra sir? Okay. We can stop here.
I have a doubt.
Okay, ask me.
Where can we get the link of recordings?
Recorded video. Okay. I will provide the recorded video at the end. Okay. At
Okay.
the end, I will provide the recorded video. Is your session
At the-
missing anyone?
My first session is missed.
Okay. I will provide
Yeah.
that recorded video.
Okay. So at the end, it means at the end of the class, the whole session, 7 days.
7-day session, end of the 7-day session.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. You can just go through this recorded video and you can just watch it individually. And you can clear your doubts. Still you have any doubts, then you can mail me. I was email link, today's link. We can revert that mail after the end of session or after the 31st of August at any time. You can paste by mail.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. We will end the session and thank you.